Hey space fans, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some truly mind-blowing cosmic news that feels like it is straight out of a sci-fi movie. We've got a visitor from another star system, and it's putting on a spectacular show for us. I'm talking about the Interstellar Comet 3i, Atlas, and recent images have revealed something incredible is happening as it journeys through our cosmic neighborhood. Just recently, the Virtual Telescope project captured a stunning new image of this interstellar traveler. What's so exciting? Its iron tail has grown dramatically longer and more structured. This isn't just a pretty light show, it is a sign that the comet's activity is ramping up as it gets closer to our sun. Think of it like a cosmic popsicle melting in the heat, releasing gas and dust that form its magnificent tail. The image itself is a masterpiece of modern astronomy. It was captured by robotic telescopes in Italy, combining 18 separate 2-minute exposures to create one detailed picture. And they managed this despite some challenging conditions. The comet was low on the horizon, and a bright, nearly full moon was lighting up the night sky. Even with all that light pollution, the image shows a sharply defined, glowing iron tail that's simply breathtaking. So, what exactly is an iron tail? It's one of the two main types of tails a comet can have. It forms when the sun's powerful ultraviolet radiation hits the gas being released by the comet. This radiation is so energetic that it strips electrons from the gas molecules, turning them into charged particles called ions. These newly formed ions are then caught and swept away by the solar wind, which is a constant stream of charged particles flowing out from the sun in all directions. This creates a long, straight tail that often glows with a distinct bluish hue. A cool fact about the iron tail is that it always points directly away from the sun, no matter which way the comet is actually traveling. It's like a cosmic windsock, constantly showing the direction of the solar wind. This is different from the other type of tail, the dust tail. The dust tail is made of, well, dust particles that are pushed away by the pressure of sunlight itself. It tends to look more yellowish-white and has a gentle curve that follows the comet's orbital path. So when you see a picture of a comet with two tails, you're seeing these two different processes in action. Looking closely at the new image of 3i, ATLAS, we can see its bright core, called the nucleus, surrounded by a fuzzy cloud of gas and dust known as the coma. From this bright center, the iron tail stretches out across the sky for about 0.7 degrees. To give you some perspective, the full moon is about half a degree wide, so this tail is even longer than the moon is wide in our sky. The image is so detailed that you can even spot a faint anti-tail. This is a fascinating optical illusion that happens when our viewing angle allows us to see dust trailing along the comet's orbit, appearing to point in the opposite direction of the main tail. It's a trick of perspective, but it looks incredibly cool. The big takeaway from all this is the clear increase in activity. Comparing this new image to earlier ones, it's obvious that 3i, Atlas is venting gas and dust much more vigorously. This is exactly what astronomers hope to see. As the comet gets closer to the sun, it heats up, causing the frozen materials on its surface, what we call volatiles, to turn directly into gas in a process called sublimation. The more it heats up, the more it sublimates, and the bigger and brighter its coma and tails become. The story of 3i, ATLAS is particularly special because it is only the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever detected. That's right, only 3 visitors from beyond our solar system have ever been spotted. The first was the mysterious, cigar-shaped object named Oumuamua, which zipped through in 2017. Then came 2, Borisov in 2019, which was the first one we could clearly identify as a comet. Now, we have 3i, ATLAS. What makes ATLAS so important is that, unlike its predecessors, it's bright enough to be studied in great detail by telescopes right here on Earth. Oumuamua was too small and faint, and it was already on its way out by the time we found it. Borisov was a great discovery, but Atlas is giving us an even better front row seat. This is an unprecedented opportunity for astronomers to watch how a comet from another star system behaves when it meets our sun. It's like getting a sample from an helium well delivered right to our doorstep. So what can we learn from this cosmic messenger? The increasing length and brightness of its tail suggests that it's rich in volatile materials, which are sublimating and getting swept into space. Early data points to a high concentration of carbon dioxide ice. This is a huge clue. The composition of a comet tells us about the conditions in the place where it was born. By studying the amount of carbon dioxide and other materials in 3i Atlas, we can get a glimpse into the chemical makeup of its home planetary system, which could be light years away. It helps us understand how comets form and evolve in other parts of the galaxy, which in turn helps us understand our own solar system's history better. The journey of 3i Atlas has been a thrilling one to follow since it was first spotted back in July of this year. It's been getting brighter and more active ever since, and this latest image confirms that the show is only getting better. Astronomers around the world, including those at the Virtual Telescope Project, will be keeping a close eye on it as it continues its voyage through the inner solar system. Every new observation, every new image adds another piece to the puzzle of this rare interstellar visitor. For all you amateur astronomers out there, while Atlas is still too faint to be seen with the naked eye, it's a great target for those with a decent backyard telescope. And for everyone else, we can count on projects like the Virtual Telescope Project to keep sharing these incredible views with the world. We'll be sure to keep you updated right here as more news comes in. This is a developing story in the world of astronomy, and who knows what other secrets 3i Atlas will reveal before it heads back out into the vastness of interstellar space. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure today. It is amazing to think that we're living in an era where we can track and study objects from other stars. What do you think we'll learn from this interstellar comet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all the latest space news, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.